Hey everyone, so here's another video game scrapping, if you want to call it that. Sorry about all the video game related stuff. I just received a ton of this stuff. So never actually opened one of these old Xbox consoles, so I'm not sure how to go about it. I tested it and the drive is broken, but I don't have any accessories or anything, and just the working console is not really worth much. Maybe 20 bucks without any accessories, but that doesn't include the fees associated with selling it, like shipping and fees and whatnot. Can't really sell it locally, so my only option is online, and fortunately online, too much fees and obviously too many headaches, but like I said, a working one is like 20. This one is non-working, so I'm not gonna bother with it really. To change the drive is like $10, and if I sell it for 20, it's gonna cost me another 10-15 in shipping, so I'm losing money. So someone had also already opened it before, so let's see what we can do here. See if we can open it quickly. Screws. Got some hidden under the little tabs here. Maybe something like this. These tabs I might be able to sell for a few bucks. I'd have to research it. I also think there's a hard drive in here. I'm not sure how much valuable it might be. So we're talking about an 8 gigabyte hard drive. So, alright. So plastic might be sellable too. We'll see. I'm definitely gonna check it out. If I could sell it, I'll list it in the description of the video. Tell you how much I got. Some plastic here, garbage, or possibly garbage. So looks like something that's pretty simple. Almost looks like a PC. So you have hard drive here. The hard drive is actually 200 gigabytes, so that's pretty good. Might actually be able to get some value for this.